Yo, what's good, everybody? Jupiter just got a little update. Now they got the trenches, so let's check it out. Right here, you could check organic coins. That's I don't know if this coin was organic, so we're gonna have to do a little bit more research. But it definitely gives you like an organic score. It tells you the liquidity. It has like a checklist, as you can see right here. Pretty cool. You can see it in the 5 minutes, the 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours. You can check by contract address or by the ticker. Top traded. We get to check the top traded coins. Trump right now is top traded. Libra, whichever one that is. I know that's the coin that got rugged. I think one country launched that. Cool. You get to see. This is my favorite section. This is the news section. And it's pretty much like a good way where you could like kind of like fake snipe. So like let's say boom, like this, and then you could do a little purchase. All right, throw a little sign in there. All you gotta do is connect your wallet. Let's see. Yeah, this is the spot section. So you get to see the buys and the sells. There's only buys right now on this coin. All right, but yeah, this is like my favorite part right here. Right now, you could definitely scan real quick and see, you know, if it's something you want to snipe into in degen. This is definitely the trenches right here. Top traded section again, definitely something I'm going to be using. Organic maybe, you know, just to check it out. Yeah, just to be on point. But this is definitely a good tool just to have. Just to be on point when it comes to meme coin trading or just trading on Solana in general. So shout outs to Jupiter for giving us the trenches.